How to fix the electricity charges? Select the electricity charges option to select the metering and annual electricity cost escalation. Now, select the Edit Values option, which is under Annual Electricity Cost Escalation, to escalate the cost. Here, 2% escalation is assumed once in 5 years for simulation. Once the values are changed, click the OK option to apply the same.